I remember the fear of never feeling safe. You had to hide constantly. And the hunger. I would sit in our apartment and look out the window, and I would see the Polish children across the street bringing milk back home. It was like watching people in a storybook. We had no food, no milk. I went to work at 7 in the morning. Around noon time we got the watery soup. And we worked until 7 or 8 or 9 at night, sometimes later. And then I walked back home. There was no public transportation into that shared room. And if there was food, we would prepare an evening meal depending on what was available. And then probably go to bed because it was cold most the time. And then start the day all over again, 6 or 7 days a week. In Warsaw I worked in a laundry for the Germans. They had a laundry in the camp. One worked in a street gang. And then one day they took 5 of us in a truck and we went on the other side of the river. There's a major river going through Warsaw, and they took us to a German army camp and we had to dig ditches. And there were, I don't know who arranged it, but they were so brutal. Of the 5, 3 of the boys never made it. They beat the hell out of us, and 3 of the boys got killed, 1 there and then 2 that died a couple days later. That was about 1944. But we did road gangs. It would be better if you could get a job in the kitchen, but I never had that luck, because that's where at least there was some food you could steal.